let's go ahead and talk about the agenda for today. The agenda would be continue on page SEO, and then we will talk about off page SEO today, some part of it, and then we will complete tomorrow with off page SEO, some other activities, that is local SEO and the mobile SEO. Okay, so let's start with on page SEO. Before I go ahead, I want to know, is there any confusion? You want to clear your doubts? Anything you want to ask?
Jat and Ranjana here. I have a doubt.
Ranjana.
I had put it in the group actually. I want to know whether that Excel sheet has the same features as Google. What is that? Equivalent to Google.
Sorry.
Google Sheets.
I have shared the Google Sheet just now.
No, Google Sheet and Excel. You are doing something in Excel last week. I couldn't find the same features in Google Sheets. Is there?
It is in the Google Sheet. If you go on keyword research, you will find all the things which we have done are here.
No, the filter, all the features about, no? The features are the same.
Yeah.
Okay.
I removed the filters. Now you can see all the keywords. Yes, no, everything. Correct. A longer sheet which has 400 keywords, yeah, that is not shared, but that is not required even. Okay, that will change. It's just the process of telling you how it is done. But in the final sheet, how to calculate all the values is being mentioned here. Okay, anything else, Ranjana?
No, actually what I was asking, I was not asking about the keywords. I was asking about the features of Excel, which is like, bold and all sum and, that filter, all the features, Google Sheet also has the same.
Yeah, like here also you can apply a filter to all the sheet. Here are the formula, sum, average, count. Okay, like if I have to calculate the average, I select these over here, you can see sum also. Okay, average also, min, max, more than what you will find in Google Art, in Excel also. Their sheets are enhancing. Even in Explore tab, so it gives you a different view altogether. Okay.
Okay.
So it can give you much more detail even, which are not required sometimes.
Okay, because I saw you using Excel last week. I don't have Excel, so I was wondering. Okay, fine.
I was using Excel because most of the people have Excel and they are efficient at it.
Okay.
Even my efficiency is super on Excel in comparison to Google Sheet, but yeah, I'm learning even. Still not that easy, but fine.
Okay.
Any other question anyone has? Should I go ahead? Press 1 if I have to. Okay. Perfect. So let's go ahead. And we were talking about in the last class about the meta title or title, then meta description and meta keywords. After that, we have to do headings. What is headings? And they are super important. Okay, that's super important. Why they are super important? Because I tell you, any blog, let me search, let's say SEO best tips. Okay, I search, simple, except ad. This is Neil Patel who's coming on top. I clicked on it. I'm just seeing his article. Okay, see, remove anything that slows down your website. Written content, step, second heading, links to other website with relevant content. Third, write for human first, search engine second. Encourage other trustworthy sites to link to you. Have web analytics place in place at start. Okay, all the things you will see every single blog, not only digital marketing blogs. If I search mutual fund, the first blog is Economic Times. Okay, they are giving 8 tips. Tip 1, tip 2, okay, tip 3, tip 4, tip 5, like that. They have mentioned. But why they mentioned 8 tips when they have only 5? My God, they are doing. Oh no, they have it. Sorry. Okay. That it's not only this kind of keyword. If I only search, let's say, mutual fund, except the first one, mutual. What is a mutual fund? It's a heading. Then understanding mutual funds, how mutual fund works, types of mutual fund, equity fund, subheadings into it. Okay, you see everything, whichever results who are coming on top, on like so highly competitive keywords. Like this is 28 crore 20,000. Okay, such a highly competitive keyword. They're ranking on top because of only one reason, that the content is for short is good, their off page everything is good, but the main one of the main reason is they are using heading, and they are using headings very effectively. Okay, it's not just for the sake of making headings. They are doing it. They are making headings because it's relevant, it's required, and that is how you should frame your uh, blog or your content page. That is what most of the people are not able to do it. Like even the website which I worked with, like by Forex. Okay, not Thomas Go. Uh, like in case of buy Forex in Delhi, let's suppose. In other cases, it's coming below, like on keywords on which we are ranking on top. Okay, book my Forex. Look at headings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Everything comes under heading. Every single thing. Okay, how, why? And this site is ranking on more than 3,000 words. Imagine if you want to rank your website on 3,000 words, this is what you have to do. Okay, for doing that, you have to build great content and organize it in a proper manner. So when I see this particular blog, content, anything on the page is in that way. So headings are very important. Primarily, headings denoted by H1, H2, H3 till H8. H1 is the topmost heading. Google gives most priority to that, less to H8 in a decreasing order. For example, let's take two examples. we are right. Our keyword is Narendra Modi career. Okay. So you are writing a content or an article on him. So you can write a couple of headings like this: Narendra Modi career highlights, everything answered, all you want to know about Narendra Modi. Okay, which one you prefer? The first one, because first it starts, the keyword is intact. Second, it starts with the keyword, and third, it is user friendly also. It's not just SEO friendly; it's user friendly also. In comparison to second one is not bad at all, but it's not uh, is not very accurate. It's not very correct. Nothing wrong in it. It can also rank, but the chances of ranking this heading is much higher in comparison to this, because it's user friendly. It's search engine friendly, whereas this is user friendly, a little less search friendly in comparison to this. Okay, so this is how you should create a heading. Okay, now let's take. Have everyone done the assignments? Hmm. Tanya, let's see her assignment. Tanya, if you can give us open access of this document, it would be great if she is there. Ranjana, request access. Whenever you are giving an access of any document, give the access to me as a click openable access. Okay, like I see every single file which is there is like if you look at this, she has given an open access. Okay, but where in these cases I see that this is a closed access. I have to request the access. But anyways, let's go to the keyword research and let's select the keyword which has Y in it. Okay, these are your set of keywords. Now you have to write H1, H2, H3. So here you already have your names over here. You have written couple of titles as well. I'm clearing some of the titles. I keep one title here with as blank. Okay. Now what you can do is you can write the heading H1, H2, and H3 for the above set of keywords. Or you can write one H1, two H2s. Okay. Subheading. Okay. So guys, you go ahead and write couple of subheadings, headings and subheadings with the using these keywords so that we can understand how much you have understood heading. Okay. So start writing it on the sheet.
Yeah, Jatin, hi, this is Aditya.
Hi Aditya.
Yeah, just asking how many maximum characters should be there in the heading?
Okay. There is no limit as such in heading, but you can't have more than 100 characters in it. Okay.